Hello friends, I am Naveen Gupta here. I welcome you to my YouTube channel Learn and Earn. Friends, today we are going to discuss about swing trading with the help of moving averages. Friends, before going forward, I want to request you up till date you have not subscribed my channel. Please subscribe my channel so I will get inspiration to make another good videos for you. Please subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe button below the video. Friends, swing trading is basically a short-term trading where trader enter in a trade for a short time like 2 days to a week time. Friends, I also want to tell you that always keep two principles in your mind. Number one, go for long trade only when overall market is upside, and go for short trade only when overall market is downside, because this will help you to give success in your trading maximum. Number two principle, always keep stop loss. Don't do any trade without stop loss, because stop loss is always save your capital. Otherwise, you will lose all your capital in one trade also. Because in share market, you don't know when market will go up, or in 15 minutes it can go down also. So please always keep these two principles in your minds. Now we will go to our chart. You can see Reliance Industry chart on my screen. This is 1 day time frame. I want to tell you that for swing trading, we will use the two time frames. Number one, daily time frame, and number two will be 1 hour time frame. First of all, we have to know that what is in particular stock, what is the trend. So knowing the trend, we go to our this daily chart, and I have already put here this 100 period simple moving average. This purple line is 100 period simple moving average. You can see it, how the Reliance Industry prices are up from 13th February 2017 and up to 5th February 2018. In this whole period, the price is trading above the 100 period simple moving average. In this way, we come to know that we should, and we decided that we should go for a long trade. Okay, now we will go to our 1 hour 1 hour time frame chart. This is Reliance Industry 1 hour time frame chart. Here I have already put the three moving averages. Number one is 10 period simple moving average. Number two is 20 period simple moving average. And number three is 50 period simple moving average. This brown line is 50 period simple moving average. This green line is 20 period simple moving average. And this yellow line is 10 period simple moving average. In this way, we have done our chart settings. Now we have to see, we already decided by seeing the daily chart, the trend is on upside and we decided to go long. Now on 1 hour chart, we have to keep in mind we will go for long trade only when the price is above this 50 period simple moving average. We will not take any long trade when price is below the 50 period simple moving average. So for going long trade, we have to wait when 10 simple moving average crosses the 20 period simple moving average and the 50 period simple moving average. And we take our long trade only above the 50 period simple moving average. Here you can see that we should go for a long trade at the rate of 935 or above that. Okay, and keep your stop loss below this candle, approximate 927 or whatever you have already decided your principle to keep the stop loss, like 2 rupees, 3 rupees or 5 rupees. Whatever you decided, you have to keep that stop loss. And according to that, you decide your target. At least 1:2 risk reward ratio should be there. Means if you have keep your stop loss for 4 rupees or 5 rupees, then your target should be at least for 8 rupees or 10 rupees. But here you can see, if you go in a long trade at 935, how the Reliance Industries gone up and touched the price of 990. In this way, if you enter in a trade on 22nd January 2018 and exit from the trade on 23rd January 2018, so you must have earned so much profit. So this is the way for doing a swing trading. Here you can see, if we go backside and see, never take trade when you see the chart like this, because this is basically a consolidation period and price is trading in a particular range only. Like here, price is trading only 907 to 932 period only. So when all these moving averages are too close, then don't go for any trade. When you see the clear picture like this, all the three moving averages are going clearly to upsides. Keep in always mind that at least there should be at least a 45-degree angle in the moving averages. Then you will come to know that the price in trending position. Like here, you can take a very good trade and earn very good profit. In this way, we can do our swing trade and earn a good profit. Friends, I just request you, please, if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Press the subscribe button below this video so I can make another good video for you. Thank you. All the best.